Imagine a crime scene, a place where every detail matters, where every trace could hold the key of solving a case. Now imagine a world where the mere touch of a fingertip, I repeat, mere touch of a fingertip, can provide crucial evidence connecting criminals to their actions with unprecedented precision. This is the world revolutionized by touch DNA. But what exactly is touch DNA and how has it transformed the landscape of forensic science? We often hear the saying, every touch leaves a trace. It's a simple yet profound truth, isn't it? In our daily lives, we often overlook the significance of our every interaction with the world around us. But what if I told you that these seemingly insignificant touches hold the power to revolutionize the way we solve crimes? Welcome to the era of touch DNA. With this, greetings to all. I, Sakshi Gore from Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra, honored to speak about the profound impact of touch DNA and its role in revolutionizing the evidentiary DNA forensics. Imagine this. In a world where a mere touch can tell an entire story, from a simple handshake, I repeat, from a simple handshake to a brush against a surface, our very DNA leaves a mark, a trace of our presence. Here comes the role of touch DNA. Let's start with what exactly is touch DNA. Touch DNA, also known as trace DNA, is a breakthrough in forensic science. Unlike traditional DNA analysis, which requires substantial biological samples such as blood, saliva, or hair, touch DNA can be extracted from the most minute traces of skin cells left behind when an individual touches an object. In a study, it was found that a single touch could deposit between 1 to 10 nanograms of DNA, enough to generate a complete DNA profile. To truly grasp the significance of touch DNA, let's compare it with traditional DNA techniques. Conventional methods rely on visible biological evidence, often requiring larger, more apparent samples. However, many crime scenes lack such evidence, leaving investigators with limited options. This capability enables forensic scientists to uncover hidden clues to bring light to cases that might otherwise remain unsolved. In fast-forwarding generation with increasing crimes, the importance of touch DNA cannot be overstated. In India alone, talking about crimes, in India alone, over 40,000 cases of rape were reported in 2023, and many more went unreported. This means that every hour, 92 women are getting raped in India. Think about the implications of this. Take, for example, the case of Nirbhaya, a young woman whose brutal assault and murder shook the very conscience of our nation. Despite overwhelming support and public outcry, justice was delayed. But what if we had touch DNA technology back then? What if the faintest trace left behind by the perpetrators could lead us straight to them? But this isn't just about solving past crime. It's about preventing future ones. By leveraging touch DNA, now we can create a deterrent, a warning to would-be offenders that even their slightest touch will betray them. In conclusion, as we stand on the brink of a new era in forensic science, let us ponder how many lives we can change, how many more cold cases we can solve. Remember the words of the great Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it is done. With touch DNA, now we are proving that justice, no matter how elusive, is always within our reach. So I ask you, my fellow advocates of justice, in a world where every trace can be a vital clue, how can we not embrace the power of touch DNA to bring justice to those who need it the most? Remember, after all, the choice is ours and the impact is immeasurable. Together, let us embark on this journey of discovery where every touch tells a story and every story brings us closer to the truth. I would like to end my speech by saying, साधारण छूने का प्रमाण बना है नया विज्ञान, डीएनए के अंश से खुले हैं रहस्य अनजान, न्याय की नई राह पर साक्ष्य का नवयुग आया, स्पर्श डीएनए से अब सच्चाई का दीप जलाया। जय हिंद, जय भारत।